beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today matter na about one voice record wey they sent to me, where they say wetin dem dey sell for Edo State now. This agbo wey dem dey sell, say dem don dey put poison inside. So if you buy am, say you can't use the agbo, the agbo go come kill that person. So as they send the voice record give me, be say I be YouTuber now, say make I share am with my ogbonge people, make dem see am o, make dem see wetin dey happen for Naija, for Edo State right now. And I believe the person they talk, then I go the translate am for una, because wetin come dey happen these days, whether the world wan come to an end or I don't know, because the thing dey shocktalize me sometimes when I go see things wey dey happen for that our Edo State, you understand? So my ogbonge people, like the thing they really dey shocktalize me, like seriously. I don't know wetin come dey happen again. Agbo again now, like the one can see they put something inside so that if you can't use them, the person will come me. I know say many of una go know wetin be agbo for Nigeria. Una go know wetin be agbo. So I go put Mona see Mona. I go play the voice record now. Mona listen.
Hello, Matthew. Oh yeah, na. Ko ya de gbera. Ko family over. Ko yo me maybe wesins. O gegele. Ko yo. Wari you do. Ko. Anyway, my brother, I only give you a message now. So a message now, Ogwe can me. It only call him mommy, but it might make credit before me. So and you know every line. I don't know whether she's there. What's up? So the they will not where if not soon. Yeah, mommy, the boy, Amadin, that's my junior brother. Will be here, Sado, the boy. Who not be any, huh? Whenever the woman, understand. So now the woman, or two in Ekere, on a beer about a few days ago. Or it be an award the boy not calling here, we go on a teacher when he had dear, don't know the way to come on. So here is Savania, then each other the boy to accomplish with that maybe were in fever. A driver with the boy king. You small boys, he was a small boy around. So one way that he gave me fever now do or what you drive you can want to meet this if you answer the third Joshua, you know Yakbo. So where the boy now going at Dakbo or Dakbo no so one of the area was so one another boy let the Akboni.
Hausa people, like they say this agbo so. Hausa, now I can't many people for Benin, so Hausa people.
The boy let the Akboni and then you know then I will say no carry Niger because you believe what we fever Gelino. So when you are Akboni here, so both of them died. Man, as a key boy na, Kakivi a boy na, you know you know keep going to do the both of them died. Man, as a so who and then Akboni away.
One of the year, the agbo, as the boy buy a rich house now, all of them use the agbo now. The meme, both the mama will consider take care of the baby, the newborn baby, all of them meme.
We are winning here. Near money or what we are. Yeah, we boy, you say, yeah, we are. Yeah, daughter, we are getting bury the boy, we know the any. That a divi, mina no one on our gagiaku, gagia, you understand?
I said that agbo where the boy drink, he cutty all the intestine, he finish he damage the body, so the boy take meme immediately.
So anytime away because on soon that will not see a man before we don't know where if you answer Kenya do now, right now. So when
he say as it happen to person where they near them, now he make them come know now say the thing na truth. So see the bad thing wey Hausa people now come they do for Edo State now. My darling people, I be Mona help me share this video. Mona help me share am, not be only bad things people go they share. Mona share this one, I beg.
no go call everybody of our family. Go here. a mommy we or I will be with blessing. When come here, we near Gidadia Kade, when near Tiagbo, that missing here we are Tiagbo. Mother say, Yausa, praising a yak billy, my Vedunia, near allow near any boy for family get divinani.
He said, make that a brother so I beg, make you share this thing, the video, the voice record, make it make sure say they not buy that agbo again because they make people anyhow now.
Please let it go viral. We can think about say we let it go viral for them not to buy that thing again. Because where you understand here, a mission here, you understand? So when you work on my mouth, so I'm not calling me, we know that we know so that you know so I have to make sure I tell my people too. Mom, we want to come on, you can wait, mommy, we come here, you have a woman. When we are to where rich, we come a jolly in a band, we are sending message jolly. Must anybody for a family in YT who have rich, you know, I wish Saturday we can wake up here. We get that book for now. That I be outside and the mission with Port Harcourt and I believe our body that discover.
It's not an answer. Port Harcourt now they be used until they many people not now they don't enter Benin now. Now Benin now they come there now. My darling people who see this video, help me share them. Help me share them more. Before you go up to person where you know, you say, hey, oh, suppose they are not for share that video when the DJ do that day. Help me share the video.
Where we have discovered the Port Harcourt, so they now run that to Benin. You understand me? So no, we do me why we do soon that on no Tima. You understand the Ramadi? So you walk ahead. I do me way that we now know where what is going on. It is good for our family to know where they going on. Here that boom, man, told you Matthew. Where come here, man? I mean, message that let it go viral. I'm gonna take a cow. Ciao.
Now the year, my darling people, he say make the make sure say they share them, give everybody, muna share them because answer I don't know what they take come for Benin now. I don't really know. So who get a year, make a year. If you know, say you get people for Benin there, share those video, give them. If you know, say you get brother, you get sister, you get anybody for Benin there, I beg, make you help me share and give them. Because things they happen these days, oh, things they happen, my darling people. If it never happen to you, now you go to feel saying a lie. But if it happen to person where you know, you can say, this is they read the me person know, like according to this man now. It happen to person where they near them. I make him know now say this agbo they read the me people. So my Ogbonge people. Anything what I think about this video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. Say what the answer people they do if na good thing or a bad thing. Wanna say leave on a comment. So thank you, my Ogbonge people. Take care. Bye. Please share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye. And always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Bye.